Why is digital marketing important? Isaac O'Brien says, what are the benefits of reading marketing books these days? Are they even worth it when there's a sea of information on the internet? Although you can and should subscribe to podcasts, read blogs and follow thought leaders on social media, sometimes the best nuggets of information can be found in a book. Read on to discover the best web marketing books that could improve your approach to marketing and your results. Chandan Mishra says, digital marketing holds unparalleled relevance in the modern market due to its effectiveness to produce results. Currently, the U.S. digital marketing industry stands at $155.3 billion, which is expected to grow at a staggering 39% in the next 5 years. There is a reason why brands are willing to spend millions of dollars to streamline their digital marketing operations. Let us find out why. Digital marketing refers to the process of using digital technologies to promote a product or service online. Integrating digital marketing can actively promote your brand across the world. It does not matter whether you are a startup or a globally known brand, digital marketing presents equal opportunities to everyone. As long as you have an effective digital marketing strategy, nothing can stop your brand from gaining global recognition. Over 40% of modern brands claim that digital marketing costs 40% less than traditional marketing methods. Methods like pay-per-click, PPC, marketing allow brands to only pay for prospects that click on their links, promotions. In addition, you can target a specific demographic using digital marketing, which is highly challenging using other means. You can also customize your advertisement according to the audience, presenting better conversion rates. Another great property of digital marketing is that you get multiple efficient and time-tested methods, like search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, etc. Depending on your brand's objectives and approaches, choosing a combination of these methods can enable quick growth. Hence, proving the might of digital marketing to you. I hope it answers your question, and if not, you can always connect with me for more information. Shubham Sharma says, digital marketing is an important aspect of many businesses and organizations. Digital marketing gives companies the ability to advertise, engage with customers, and build their brand in a way that traditional advertising cannot. Digital marketing is a great opportunity for your business to compete with bigger companies to obtain more relevant leads. The importance of digital marketing is that you can easily track and monitor your campaigns. When you invest time and money into your campaigns, you want to know that they are working. You can target your ideal audience. The ability to target your audience better is one of the most obvious reasons why digital marketing is important. Thanks for watching our video on why is digital marketing important.